Level up your real estate investing business. So much more than a software company, Reipro is designed to take the mystery out of real estate investing by providing the tools and education you need in one smart, sleek package. With the intuitive, easy-to-use power of Reipro in your hands, you've got what it takes to do, not just dream. Reipro is built for every type of real estate investor. Introducing our cutting-edge software, the game changer designed to cater to the needs of every type of real estate investor. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey in the industry, our software provides a comprehensive suite of tools and features to empower you at every step. 1. Wholesalers. 2. Rehabbers. 3. Buy and hold. 4. Lease options. 5. Seller financing. 6. Pre-foreclosure investing. 7. Note buyers. Our software gives you a competitive edge in the real estate market, saving time, reducing risks, and maximizing returns. Experience the ultimate solution that adapts to your needs, regardless of your level of expertise or investment strategy. Start maximizing your real estate potential today with our versatile software. Powerful lead generation software for real estate investors and agents. Supercharge your real estate investing efforts with our powerful lead generation solution. Identify qualified leads, tap into new market opportunities, and grow your business. Maximize your conversion rates and stay ahead of the competition with our targeted lead generation software tailored specifically for real estate professionals. Revolutionize your marketing with cutting-edge solutions. Elevate your marketing with our comprehensive solutions. From direct mail and our proven marketing pieces, we help you attract motivated sellers, connect with potential buyers, and drive business growth. Stand out in the competitive market and achieve marketing success with our proven strategies tailored for real estate investors. Streamline your success with a 10-step workflow. Our workflow system empowers real estate investors to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently by knowing exactly what to do each step of the way. Take control of your investments and achieve greater productivity and success. Accelerate your real estate investing success. Learn proven strategies and practical techniques to make informed investment decisions, maximize returns, and mitigate risks. Our education programs provide the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in the dynamic world of real estate investing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, unlock your potential and accelerate your path to real estate wealth. Jump-start your real estate investing career. Join our exclusive software membership and unlock your full potential for real estate success with additional resources to help you get started. Our membership includes access to various additional real estate investing guides, designed to help our members build their knowledge and expertise in real estate investing. These guides cover various topics, from beginner-level introductions to real estate investing to more advanced strategies for experienced investors. Reipro has done something wonderful by simplifying the process with the 10 executable steps and providing hands-down the best education series on real estate investing processes. My wife and I have closed our first deal for a $15,000 assignment. Bobby Tyndall. Seamlessly connect your favorite apps. Effortlessly integrate and sync your favorite apps to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and simplify your tasks. Connect, collaborate, and stay organized with ease. Why choose Reipro for your real estate investing business? Powering success for real estate investors, built by real estate investors. We understand the unique challenges and intricacies of the industry because we've been in your shoes. Our team of experienced real estate professionals has leveraged their expertise to design software specifically tailored to meet the needs of real estate investors like you. We know what it takes to succeed in this dynamic market, and our software reflects that deep understanding. There's no substitute for experience. Service you can depend on. At Reipro, we take pride in providing exceptional customer service for our software users. We understand that investing in real estate can be a complex and ever-evolving process, and we are committed to being there for you every step of the way. Our dedicated customer service team is comprised of knowledgeable professionals who are passionate about ensuring your success. Whether you have a technical question, need assistance navigating the software, or require guidance on using specific features, our team is ready to lend a helping hand. Help is only a quick email, phone call, or online live chat away, your choice. Our support staff is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and happy to assist in any way they can. Hear what our members have to say. Reipro has played a vital role in my new success. The data is excellent, and the support team is terrific. First check for $5,000. Jonathan Dunn. $6,500 check. Thank you for helping me succeed in something I did not even think was possible 3 months ago. Joshua Peterson. $11,000 on my first deal. Thank you so much for helping me close my first deal. I look forward to the next one. Chris Good. Transform your real estate investing with our powerful software. Get started today. If you are a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced real estate investor looking to grow your business, then this software will be extremely valuable to you.